This is the HANDSTAR Rotary Toolkit, the ultimate tool for all your sanding, carving and polishing needs. With 180 pieces included, this rotary tool has everything you need for your next DIY project. HANDSTAR Rotary Toolkit features a powerful 130 watt motor with a large LED display screen, allowing you to easily control the speed from 1000 to 35,000 RPM. With its 6 variable speed settings, you have complete control, making it perfect for a wide range of projects. Whether you're cutting, sanding, drilling or polishing, HANDSTAR Rotary Tool is up to the task. And with the included 1 meter flex shaft, you can even reach tight spaces that are difficult to access with traditional rotary tools. HANDSTAR Rotary Toolkit comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to transport and store your tools and accessories. If you're looking for a versatile and convenient tool for all your DIY needs, the HANDSTAR Rotary Toolkit is the perfect choice for you.